Hello there. So I'm going to play Carol of the Bells, and the first time through I'd like you to follow along on your sheet music so you understand what I'm talking about when I'm specifically talking about different positions on the piano. So it starts out with a left hand playing 8VB, which means an octave lower in the bass. VB. So instead of playing this position that's written, we're moving our left hand just an octave lower to down here. D, La, Mi, La. And the right hand is also moving up an octave from middle C position. So instead of playing it here as written, it says on the top 8VA. So you're moving your right hand over here. Okay? So I'm going to start playing the first row. I'm going to do the repeat and then we'll go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second row, you see the right hand stays in the 8VA position and it's pianissimo. Here we go. And I'm holding my pedal down. If you see that line underneath, that is all pedaling down. If you don't have a pedal, maybe you can figure out kind of an organ sound on your electrical keyboard. So I did that second row, and then I'm going to move my right hand back into a middle C position, and you can see that by that word loco. That is Italian, and it means at place, or it means canceling out all the previous positions that you were in, including the left hand, because the left hand is not indicating that it stays in the bass. So both my hands going back to regular position. So I'm right here. My left hand plays middle C with the first finger in the second measure. All right, well, follow along. I'll go from the first page to the second page. Here we go. Mezzo piano. Mezzo forte. Forte. Okay. And then I'm going to do this little run with my right hand. It goes, and then my left hand is crossing over to 2. That's fortissimo. And then here's my right hand, 5th finger, 4th. And then the left hand comes in on the 3rd page. Left hand crosses over, does the same thing an octave higher. Okay, automatically the right hand is a 8VA and stays right there. Left hand comes in on loco, regular position. Left hand is a tie. And now I'm going to the first page again. It says first time through, move the right hand down to loco. Here we go. So I'm at first page again and 3rd line. B in my left hand, switch my 3rd finger on, C sharp, left hand goes down to loco. I'm playing through that 3rd line, and then I'm going to the 4th line, pretty sure you looked already at my hands too, but let's just go through it one more time and you can watch my hands or play along if you can. So here is my left hand down here, my right hand is here. Oh, I noticed you can't quite see my pinky here. I'm not sure if I can organize that. Yeah, here we go. So I'm playing it one time through very slowly. If you want, you can play along. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. Okay, now play it very slowly, and what I really would like you to do is use this as a practice sight reading piece. See if you can follow the music while you're playing it, okay? Especially in the beginning, just see if you can really put your eyes on the sheet music and follow along. Especially because the right hand is really repeating all the time, so it's really nice to kind of follow, concentrate on the left hand, going a step up, going a step down, and then once you've played it many times, I'm sure you'll have it memorized. But in the beginning, it'd be kind of nice to really practice your sight reading skills. Okay, have fun with that. I'll see you next week.